In primetime news this evening, family of 14-year-old boy seeks intervention after his wrongful arrest for scamming.
Curfew lifted, or rather the SOE was lifted in Spanish Town and surrounding areas today.
And relatives of 14-year-old Price Johnson still trying to cope with her death. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Log.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, coming up later in the newscast, we'll have sports as well as the weather report and forecast and sports commentary. But first, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what more can be done to improve Jamaica's corruption perception ratings?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.